Alright, so we've got a power supply here out of a Data East Batman, and so the problem is, and I'll go ahead and power this up, is we're connected to 5 volts here. We're getting a steady 1.2 at max, and then we're dropping down below 1 there. But if I switch this here from 5 volts to negative 12, that's correct, and then also the 12 volts is correct as well. So the only thing that we're missing here on the power supply is the 5 volts, and I can almost guarantee that we've got a leaking capacitor, which there we are right there at C7. So having this on my bench here, we can see that C7 has leaked out, and it has leaked down here onto C6 and also there into the 72 or the 723 CM, which is the voltage regulator. So we're going to go ahead excuse me, and pull C7. We'll pull C3, C1, and C2 as well, and we'll pull C6 and IC1, and then we'll also go ahead and swap out the headers here, since these are all power related, but we'll go ahead and do that. After pulling the components at C7 and IC1 as well as C6 and R4, you can see the damage that was done. And so what we did was we had sanded that off of the traces, revealing the bare copper. Over here at C2, we had another capacitor that had leaked out and ate the through hole as well as the solder pads. We replaced it with a rivet that you can see here. Okay, so back on the bench, we went ahead and replaced C3, C2, and also C7 here as well. We did replace C6 as well as R4. We pulled the 723 CN from the board and also socketed that after we cleaned up underneath it. Replaced all 0.156 headers, and I also checked all of the fuse clips, and all those are good there. So I'm going to go ahead and get her powered up, and we will go ahead, try to do this one-handed. So this should be, let's see, negative 12, and then positive 12, and nothing, and another 12, and then a string of 5 volts, which is the voltage that we were missing before. And as you can see, we are back up and running there, and these are just ground pins there. So everything is 100% good to go. Thank you so much.